8 plus 4 is 12. Then divided by 2 times 3 is 6. This will give 2, but this is wrong. It's not the correct way to solve it. We are going to be using PEMDAS, yes, but whenever you come across PEMDAS, when multiplication and division appears together, you solve from left to right. So if division appears first, you divide before you multiply. So back to our question, we have 8 plus 4 then divided by 2 times 3. Yes, we are going to solve what we have in the bracket first. So this will give 12 divided by 2 times 3. So we have to solve from left to right. 12 divided by 2 will give 6, and 6 times 3 is 18. So the correct answer to this question is 18 and not 2.